Before you die, your brain releases the most powerful drug it will ever produce. A chemical so intense that people who have survived death describe the experience as peaceful, warm, quiet, even beautiful. The strange part is, your brain does this on purpose. Your brain has been preparing for this moment your entire life. It starts the moment oxygen stops reaching your brain. Your brain is the most energy-hungry organ in your body. It uses 20% of your oxygen every second you are alive. Take that oxygen away, and a countdown begins, and the brain begins shutting systems down. The first thing to disappear is control. The prefrontal cortex goes offline. That is the part of your brain that plans, worries, and thinks about the future. Then the parietal lobe shuts down, the part that tells you where your body ends and the world begins. Suddenly, the boundary between you and everything else begins to dissolve. And that is when something extraordinary happens. Deep in the center of your brain sits something the size of a grain of rice, the pineal gland. For most of your life, it only helps regulate sleep. But in the final moments of life, it switches roles. It releases something scientists are still trying to understand. A compound called DMT, dimethyltryptamine, the most powerful psychedelic molecule ever discovered. Normally, the brain only produces tiny trace amounts, but when the brain realizes it cannot survive, it releases everything it has, all at once, and the brain lights up like a supernova. The visual cortex goes into overdrive. This part of the brain processes everything you see, but now it fires harder than it ever has before. More activity than during your most vivid dream, more activity than during birth, more activity than any drug ever tested in a laboratory. Your brain is creating the most intense experience of your entire life. At the same time, your memory center activates. The hippocampus begins releasing everything it has ever stored. Moments from your life appear all at once, not like a movie, more like becoming every moment of your life at the same time. Every person you loved, every place you went, every moment you forgot. 30 seconds suddenly feels like forever. Then something incredible happens. Your brain releases the largest wave of endorphins your body has ever produced. Natural opioids, stronger than morphine, stronger than anything doctors can inject. This is the warmth survivors talk about. Many survivors describe the same thing next. A tunnel. At the end of it, a light. Not harsh, not blinding, but warm, inviting, like something calling you forward. Inside the dying brain, time behaves strangely. Seconds stretch, moments expand.